Hello guys, welcome to the next episode of this Mercedes Sprinter van conversion. In today's video we're going to be laying the Altro flooring, but before we can do that obviously I need to get rid of all of this stuff inside of the van. If your conversion is anything like ours, you haven't got anywhere to store any of the materials, so every time we want to work on the van we've got to empty all this stuff out before we can start anything. So let's crack on with that. For the flooring in our van, what we wanted is something that was going to be really hard wearing. So what we've gone for is this Altro Walkway. It's the sort of thing that is put into hospitals and leisure centres and commercial buildings. It's really super hard wearing, it's got a textured surface so it's anti-slip, and it comes in a really wide range of colours and finishes. We've gone for this one up here, which is Blizzard, which is like a very light grey, but it's got a mottled effect and it also has a tiny little bit of glitter in it, so it should be quite nice when the light's on it. This is not a sponsored video, but if you're interested in purchasing this Altro flooring yourself, I'll put some links in the description below of the website where you can order some samples, and also I'll put a link in the description of where you can purchase it. You can't see the actual sparkle in it until the sunlight gets on it, but it's probably about maybe 1.5 to 2 mil thick, very tough. It's got like a textured finish, so it should be anti-slip, and it's reinforced on the back, but it should be reasonably pliable and should cut nicely with a fresh blade. Now, I've never laid any lino floor before, so this is going to be a bit of a learning curve for myself. But what I have got is I've got two different types of blade. I've got a normal heavy duty Stanley blade, and I've also got some of these heavy duty hooked blades, because I think this might be easier for just cutting along. I'm sure I've seen these used when people have been doing lino floor, so we'll give both of these a try anyway and see how it works. This Altro flooring measures 5 metres by 2 metres. The maximum length for the van is 4.5 metres and the maximum width for the van is 1800. So I've just measured 400 mil. I'm going to cut that off. That'll give me a little bit of spare to play with, and I won't have masses to try and manoeuvre while I'm inside the van. I'll also trim a little bit off of that side for the same reason. Okay, so we've got the excess cut off and we've got it laid back in the van, a few creases to pull out. This is by far the longest straight edge in the van, so we used the factory edge up against this, get it nice and snug and flat up against there, and then what we can do is then start cutting around some of these shapes and start moulding it in around the wheel arch and so forth. I've left plenty up this end as well, and then we can cut around all of these shapes, cut around the seats and trim all of this off. Obviously we've got a big bit to cut off for the step here, and then obviously we've still got this side to do, so it's just now a process of going around, pulling it nice and flat and level and trimming off these excess. I think the only way to really cut round these wheel arches is just to feather the edge with some slits, and then you can mould it into that curve and then just nibble off little bits as you go, and just take off a little bit at a time until you get the shape of that curve. So we've cut round the step. I've trimmed round all these edges, bearing in mind this is all going to be behind the kitchen cupboard. I've trimmed round the wheel arches and right into the garage. And again, this is going to be covered with a ply lining this side. And then we'll just trim this last bit off on the edge here, and then we'll put a stair nosing on that edge just to protect it. Now that we've finished trimming the lino to exactly the right shape, we've sprayed both surfaces with a high temperature adhesive. This is a high contact adhesive, so this will make it really secure. We've also sprayed the other half of the lino, and then I'm going to roll it back out, making sure there's no folds or creases. There we go, all nice and trimmed on the back of the garage there. We'll put a stair nosing over this edge just to give it some further protection from all the traffic in and out. But that's the floor complete now. I must admit, really pleased with how that looks. That's going to give us an excellent subfloor, and we can now start fixing all the furniture down. There we go, so that's the new Altro flooring laid. We've just got some nosing trim to put around the edge here. I'll put a link in the description if you want to have a look at this Altro flooring yourself. Please make sure that you subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos on this Sprinter build coming very soon. Next thing we're going to do is get the shower basin, and then we're going to build all the furniture. So you won't want to miss that. Thanks for watching. Cheers.